Today, another Shein clothing campaign. So first off, they sent me the shoes. It is size 9. Nice pink. It's a pink or champagne color. Beautiful shoes. Nice. If you have narrow shoes, this is perfect for you. It's perfect for weddings or special occasions. I think this is like $31, $32. Very beautiful, high quality shoes. This motif bag, so I chose most of these clothes and stuff from Motif. So this is such a nice plain texture crescent handbag for women. Very nice. And I also have this skirt. Hold on. This one, guys, it's like ube color, purple. It's like tie-dye color. Space dye bias cut sweater skirt. It's very soft. Pants. It's really nice. Perfect for office, casual, formal, informal wear. It's really nice. I like that it's not too long. Large. Okay, so I also have two pants here. This I didn't like the material very much, so yeah, but I tried it, but I didn't like this. Both of these pants, it's too thin for pants. Look at this skirt. I really like this skirt because it's just easy to wear and you can match it with any color shirt. Solid color. Very flowy, comfortable. I love it. Floral cami dress. Look at that, guys. Very beautiful dress. So I have a search code JSZE2. I will link it in the description box below. And also my coupon code 25Q1 Shirl for extra 15% off, extra savings for you guys. So thank you guys, and let's move on to our vlog. Dito kami sa grocery store. Yung paborito ni Ben na nut butter. Well, that's a big one. Oh, talaga naman. That's all?
No.
Oh, no.
I'm trying to flop.
Ah, I thought you're done. Honey roasted. I think that's all.
No.
Hindi ba nalagay yung bata? Hindi na. Oh, that's enough. I think it's gonna be too full. Okay. Kuya's turn. Okay, ako lang. Hi. Good. How are you? Parang nag-iipot lang. Can I go? Kuha tayo ng ating gluten. Ay, wala. $4.49. Mura-mura ngayon. Kuha tayo kasi...
How many?
Maybe 4. Ayan, guys. Kasi dito lang ko Kahanap ako ng sawa na ako sa pulang sauce. Gusto ko, paborito ko talaga, guys, Alfredo sauce. Ay, ito, masarap to. Yo Mama's. Or Rouse.
Oh, that's
Fresh garlic. Rouse. Ito pa, meron pa carbone. Ano kayang masarap na Alfredo sauce? Carbone. It's premium traditional. Sige. What is this one? Yo Mama's.
Yo Mama's.
No sugar added. Gluten-free. Is that gluten-free, kuya? Water, heavy cream, parmesan. Culture. Onion powder, black pepper. Black pepper. Mas maganda tong Yo Mama. The ingredients is better.
Yeah.
Ooh, ito masarap to, pesto. Paborito ko tong pesto. Maganda to. Ang daming sale ngayon dito sa store na to. Ay, may fresh na okra. Saan kaya galing yung okra? Hindi pa tag-okra eh. Cilantro. Namimiss ko na naman ang cilantro. Ano to? Bok choy. Wow! Ito paborito ko to, bok choy. Hindi ba napaka-cabbage to? Bok choy, no? Grown in the USA. Saan kaya? Ito naman yung ating bok choy na maliit. Sarap din yan, bok choy. Ito malaki. Sarap. Pero hindi kinuha. Ah, ito. Ito, oh. Red chard. Ganda to, guys. Ay, kale. Naku. Mga kale. Ayan, may beets. Ayan, oh. May matagal pang magpatubo. Ito, oh, nandito na. Ay, grabe. Gold bunches na beets. Wow, mura na to for $2.99. Ang tagal pang magpatubo nito, bumili na lang kayo. Kaysa magpatubo. Mura na. Ba't mura? Kinakain lang yan, guys. Mura lang. Bakit kaya? Each eh. So, isang ganito. Aba, maganda yun. Good deal. Ito naman yung red beets. Yan, $2.99 lang. Organic pa. Ayan, oh. Ito, yung kale. Ano ba ito? Curly kale. $1.19. Mura dito ang gulay. In fairness. Mura dito. Matagal pang magpatubo. Bumili na lang kayo. Ito pa, $1.99 lang. Ah! Cauliflower. Organic pa. Ba't ang mura ngayon? $1.99 lang. Oh, $2 lang. 100. Mura na yun. Organic celery. Aba? Ay, mura ngayon dito sa store na to. Basta wala nang namimili. Ba, may turmeric, oh. Turmeric root. Ay, makabili kaya nito mga juice? Kasi wala na kaming ano, Ay, bibili ako nito. Kasi ubos na yung aking binibili na ano, na turmeric. So fresh. Papainom ko kay daddy. I-freeze ko. And then, tama. Okay. Ay, mahal pala. $5.99 na isa lang. Eto, kuya. Turmeric root. Isa lang. Kasi pag mga turmeric talaga medyo mahal. Tapos may organic ginger. Lalagyan ko lang, meron pa akong ginger. Wow. Uy, grabe. $24.99. Ganito karami. Pang juice. Pang juice siya. Do we still have carrots, kuya? Tapos ito, rainbow carrots. $3.49 lang. Itong orange, $2.99. Mas mahal to. Ito yung iba-ibang... O, ba't walang purple? Normally, ayun, may isang purple. Tapos may white. Ayan. Nilagyan ng isang purple. Para sa ano... Tinipid ang purple. Isa lang ang nilalagay. Puro dilaw. Oh, gaya nito. Putol pa. Ito, walang purple. Ayan. Ito, dalawa. Ayan. Kuya. Kaya lang, puro orange. Meron pa ba akong carrots? Ano? Purple carrots, yellow, and orange. Daming sale nila kasi medyo mahal kasi guys tong store na to, kaya ngayon marami silang sale kasi matambak kasi mahal yung paninda nila. May mga 20 off. Sumisipol ako. Tingin ako doon ng karne, pang stew. Paborito kasi nila ang stew. Okay, so magtingin tayo ng karne. Ito chicken, marami pa tayong chicken. Hello guys, so nakabalik na kami sa aming bakasyon na maigsi lang, 2 days lang. Kaya lang bumalik ako na may sipon at may ubo. So ngayon nagluto na ako na mother and father ng, ano ba guys ang tawag din sa luto to? Anto, yung nilagang manok na may patatas at broccoli. Kayo na guys ang mag-label ko anong klase itong luto. So yan na, yan yung patatas and then yung manok. Ang sarap niya guys, nilagyan ko ng ano to, may salt and pepper, sibuyas, tapos ginger. Lagi ako may ginger, especially ngayon malamig. So, kailangan. Tsaka maganda yung may ginger. Maanghang-anghang na. Basta, mabango. Nilagyan ko pa siya ng maraming broccoli. Ayan. Ito lang natin. Ready na siya. Di-deliver na natin kina mother. Alright. Okay guys, ayan. Healthy gulay. Okay guys, so start ko ng school.